welcome back to the channel. Today, I have some exciting information to share with you about strength training in 2024. Did you know that studies have shown that strength training is more crucial now than ever before? It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and healthy too. Here are 10 effective exercises for building overall strength and muscle mass. 1. Squats. Works the entire lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. 2. Deadlifts. Targets multiple muscle groups, including the back, glutes, hamstrings, and core. 3. Bench press. Focuses on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. 4. Pull-ups, chin-ups. Engages the back, biceps, and shoulders. 5. Barbell rows. Targets the upper back, biceps, and rear deltoids. 6. Military press overhead press. Works the shoulders, triceps, and upper chest. 7. Dips. Primarily works the chest, triceps, and shoulders. 8. Lunges. Strengthens the legs and glutes while improving balance and coordination. 9. Barbell curls. Isolates the biceps for arm strength and size. 10. Romanian deadlifts. Similar to deadlifts but with more emphasis on the hamstrings and less on the lower back. I encourage you to try out these top 10 exercises. Share your progress with us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines. Together, let's work towards building stronger and healthier bodies in 2024. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.